Hi, this is Shankar, Assistant Professor from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering. In this video lecture, we are going to discuss about linguistic model. Let us see detailedly what is linguistic model. Linguistic model is used for understanding the user behavior and cognitive difficulty based on analysis of languages between user and systems, similar in emphasis to dialogue models. There are two techniques used in linguistic models. One is Backus-Naur form, BNF, and another one is task action grammar, tag representation. Let us see one by one in detail what is Backus-Naur form and task action grammar. First, we'll see about Backus-Naur form, BNF. It is used to describe the dialogue grammar. This views the dialogue at a purely syntactic level, ignoring the semantic of languages. This is widely used to specify the syntax of computer programming languages. Many system dialogues can be described easily using BNF rules. The names in the description are two types. One is terminal and another one is non-terminal. The terminal represents the lowest level of user behavior. For example, click mouse, move mouse. The non-terminals are higher level of abstraction. For example, select menu, position mouse. The basic syntax for this model is non-terminal double colon is equal to expression. The expression contains terminal and non-terminals. Use plus symbol for sequence and or symbol for choices, and colon is equal to symbol is read as is defined as. For example, the draw line is defined as selecting a line, choosing points, last point. For selecting a line is defined as positioning the mouse and click the mouse. Choosing points is written as, that is defined as choosing one, or the choices choose one and choose the points. Choose one is defined as positioning the mouse and clicking the mouse. Last point is defined as positioning mouse and double click the mouse. The positioning mouse is defined as null or move the mouse and positioning the mouse. There are four rules we have to follow. We'll see one by one. The first rule is the non-terminal draw line is defined to be select line followed by choose points followed by a last point. Select line is defined to be position mouse followed by click mouse. This is our first terminal and represent the actual clicking of a mouse. Choose point is defined recursively as one or more of the non-terminal. Choose one, which is itself defined to be position mouse followed by click mouse. There are two possibilities for position mouse. One option is that position mouse is empty, a special symbol representing no action. The other option is to do move mouse, action followed by position mouse. The BNF description can be analyzed in various ways. Initially, the first one, count the number of rules. The more rules an interface requires to use it, the more complicated it is. For example, choose points and choose one with a single definition. So given the example, choose points is defined as positioning mouse and click mouse, or position mouse and click mouse and choose the points. The next one is count the number of plus and or operators. The BNF ignores the advantages of consistency both in the language structure and in its use of command names and letters. The next one is task action grammar, that is tag, task action grammar. Tag uses parameterized grammar rules to emphasize consistency and encoding the user's world knowledge. For example, you just consider the Unix command, following Unix command cpmvln. Cp is used for copying files, mv is used for moving files, and ln is used for linking files. Each of these have two possible forms. They either have two arguments, a source and destination file names, or have any number of source file names followed by a destination directory as given below. The copy is defined as copy is actually command. A copy command is defined as cp with two file names, that is written as with plus, or it may be written as cp file name and directory. It means that the multiple files may be copied into one directory. Similarly, move and link also written. The rules which we are following to execute these commands or file or means operand is defined as command plus file name plus file name, or command plus file name plus directory. That is actually written there. So the command operand is copy is defined as cp, only command name. So the command operand move is defined as mv. The command operand linking two files is defined as ln. The tag has features for talking about word knowledge. For example, imagine we have two command line interfaces for moving a mechanical turtle around the floor. For that, we are writing two interfaces. One is command and tag rules. For command also, we have two interfaces, command interface 1 and command interface 2. Initially, the movement is movement is happened based on the direction. So the command direction, sorry, the movement is defined as command direction plus distance plus a returning position. So command direction is forward is defined as go certain address is given, machine address. Similarly, the direction backward, left and right is also given. That is first interface. The second interface template is move the direction is defined as move the direction plus distance return. But here the return is not as given. So the command goes 395 refers the address of the machine code routine which performs the appropriate movement. The same is written with the second interface with tag rules, right? Command direction is defined as known item. The type is word and direction is also mentioned. So it written as command direction is equal to forward. It mentioned the forward. Similarly, backward, left and right also. The start rules can be generated from the second rule using the user's knowledge, world knowledge. They are included in any tag description for completeness, but they are not counted in any measure of complexity. Thank you guys for watching for this lecture. Thank you all.